Nice.
I'm glad you were here. I drove by earlier and you weren't here.
Nice.
What kind of nut puts God on his car, right?
No, that's not a nut. That's just a person that's already done. Rosefishing.com. That's nice.
Thanks, Rich.
Listen, man.
I couldn't wait to get here and see.
Man, I'm right here.
I'm a new missionary.
Yes, sir. It's done. It's done.
I love you, brother.
Love you more, man. It's done. Done. Going to snatch one of them big hogs in. When I might get some fishing time, I'll be good.
All right, go to work, buddy.
Almost. Just got to finish cooking. Once it's
I love you, brother.
Love you more, man. I got to go check this guy out, man. Got to check him out.
All right.
I don't know if I'm going to redo this truck or get another truck. I don't know yet.
Yeah, it's JH Designs. JH Design.
Got you. All right, man.
Love you, brother. All right.